These are the answers you've been looking for. It's the data that will help propel your business to the next level, and it's the reason you came to AskYourTargetMarket.com. There is a wealth of actionable information for you here as a result of the survey you've launched. We have put it together in many different formats so that you can choose what works best for you. Let's take a look. You will recognize the heading. It's your survey name. The default view is a pie chart in the default green spectrum color palette. You will see how many respondents you requested, how many responses you received, and the survey completion date. If your survey is still in process, you will see current up to the second results every time you refresh the page. If a video was included in your survey, it will be available here as well. You can click on View Full Order Details to see the options you selected when defining your target market. Get back to the statistics by clicking here. So here are your results in pie chart form, which is the default. Hover your mouse over each section of the pie to instantly see how many people answered in a particular way. Click on each piece to separate them. Neat, isn't it? As you continue down, you will see the percentage breakdown of how your respondents answered, and the information will be repeated question by question. If you navigate back up to the top and left, you will see the control panel for managing your survey statistics, and I will break it down for you. In the chart options, you can choose between pie charts and bar graphs. Not sure which one you like? Check them out to see which one best suits your needs. Once you decide, then you can see the graphic breakdown by targeted parameter, for instance by gender or by education. Just make sure to update after each change. The default view is by questions, but you can choose to view by location. This cool interactive map will allow you to view respondents individually by location, drilling down to see each one's demographic profile and how they answered. Don't worry, no one's privacy is violated here. Let's switch it back to by questions view and take a look at the filter options. Filtering gives you the power to retrospectively define a target group from your set of respondents. Say you ordered 400 respondents, but you decided not to prospectively narrow the target market. Here you can ask, how did women ages 18 to 25 with a household income of $25,000 to $50,000 answer the survey? Even if you prospectively narrowed the target market, you can still find subsets of your respondents with the filter tool and check their answers. The patterns filter allows you to see if a pattern of answer choices emerged. For instance, on this survey, 6.4% of the respondents who liked the mozzarella appetizer also chose the surf and turf entree and the chocolate cake dessert. It's a great way to see how segments of your target market think and feel. It's a very powerful tool which can draw a correlation between answers given by different respondents, and in conjunction with the demographic filtering, it may give you quick and valuable insights and help digest the stats. We offer a variety of color palettes, including one suited for those who are colorblind. Once you've analyzed the statistics, you can export to CSV or to an Excel spreadsheet. You choose to either export the current view or export all raw data. You can share your data directly by emailing a URL to friends and colleagues. Please note that the share URL you create will remember all current settings such as chart options, filters, and colors. You can create a few share links to capture different settings. If you need to bring a hard copy of your report to the board of directors or show it to investors in a professional way, we've got you covered. By default, we will include a cover page and the charts, but you can uncheck those options. This is what the printed report will look like with all of the options. To make changes, click on Close and you will be directed back to the statistics. If you like the way it looks, simply click on Print and watch your information roll off your printer. To add the results of your survey to your blog or web page, simply click on this icon to open our sleek Stats widget editor. The size of the widget can be manually adjusted with this slider bar. You can decide whether or not to share the full report, and then simply copy the code and embed it into your blog or web page.